Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix OPay cannot withdraw to your bank. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data, and also toggle airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device, tap on apps. Once you're inside apps, head over to tap onto the all apps, and then head over to the OPay inside of your search bar, tap on OPay, head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of OPay, and try again. If the issue still persists, what you must do is head over to Play Store and update OPay to the latest version. You must also make sure that there is enough balance in OPay to withdraw to the bank by opening up the OPay app, and you must also make sure that your account is verified and your KYC is verified and the bank that you're trying to transfer to is working well. However, if these issues still persist, what you can do is head over to your app drawer, search for OPay, long press on it, uninstall it on your device, reinstall it from the Play Store, and try again. And if that too does not work, you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.